Hi, I'm Robert Young, owner and founder of the Texas Note Company. Thanks for tuning in. You know, I have about 10 years experience in the mortgage note business. I've worked for Santa Barbara Bank and Trust. I've worked for Citibank. I've worked for Allied Irish Bank. Worked for Dell Computer here in Austin. And one of the things I wanted to talk to you today is about mortgage note buyers and one of their requirements. We're involved in a transaction right now where that particular requirement, the value of the property, is coming into play on the ability of one of our customers being able to sell his note. When we purchase a note, we will purchase a note up to 75% of the value of the property. We'll order a BPO appraisal, usually send somebody out there, they'll do some comps, check the value out, and if the value comes back, then we'll buy up to 75% of whatever that value may be. Now, in this particular instance, the property that is the collateral behind the note is out in a rural community west of San Antonio. So we got the BPO appraisal back, but we don't necessarily believe it because there were only one or two comps for this particular property and they were 2 or 3 miles away. The house looks great, but one of the things that we need to do to validate that was get pictures of the property. The seller in this instance actually gave us pictures of the view of the property with the, when you look out, you see the view. And we don't need that. We need the actual house itself, the property, and the indoor. So just know if you're selling your note and you're looking for a mortgage note buyer to buy your note, then know that, just like us, they will buy up to 75% of the value of the property for your note. So there's a lot of things that go into this particular discussion. If you'd like to know more, call me, Robert Young, at 512-464-1214, or look us up on the web at texasnoteco.com. There's an ebook out there called The Gold in the Paper that I wrote, and it touches on some of these topics about the value of the property, because one of the biggest things for all mortgage note buyers out there is the collateral behind the note. If it's not there, then your discount is going to be higher, or we may not be able to buy the note at all. But anyway, I'm Robert Young. Thanks for tuning in.